Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The reason why my voice is a little raspy, because one, I just woke up. Two, I was lit last night. And three, I don't know about three. But anyways, oh, three, I'm whispering. Two, because it's early. It's like 9 o'clock, I think. And everyone in my apartment is asleep. Like, only one person live with me, but I don't want to be too loud because I got these thin ass walls, and I don't want my neighbors to be like, "Why the fuck you making the video so early?" So yeah, I'm whispering. Excuse my fire alarm because in my Hennessy video, y'all was going in about my fire alarm, and this is what I have to say about my fire alarm. Y'all will live. I don't feel like changing my battery. I don't have a step stool. I'm short. I don't feel like doing none of that. It's just a beep from here and there. You guys will live. Okay. Another thing, don't come for me. It is this Halloween ass bomb I got on. Okay. All the beauty supply this stores are closed. I can't get my hair done because my hairstylist is not taking appointments, and I don't know how to do hair. So, my eyebrows is fucked up. I'm even growing a mustache. Like it's just bad. How are y'all doing in the quarantine? I done slept like 85 times a day. I work from home, so me working from home is getting annoying. I feel like I'm wearing the same clothes every day. I feel like I'm just going to Walmart for fun. I just don't know what to do with my life anymore. I just spent like $500 on liquor every week. I know they're probably like, how you got that much money? But if you're not spending your money on anything, I hate it to be. If you're not spending your money on anything, of course you're gonna spend on dumb shit, and I'm gonna spend my money on dumb shit, which is liquor. Well, I wouldn't call it dumb because I get to make these videos for you guys. Speaking of videos, thank you so much for 100K on my strawberry Hennessy video. I had no idea that video was gonna go viral like that, and it went viral randomly. Like I was sitting there like not yesterday, like 2 weeks ago, my video only had like 30,000 views. I mean that's a lot, but it's not a lot. And then I started noticing I got more trolls on my page. Speaking of trolls, if you comment something crazy on my page, I'm just gonna block you. I don't feel like going back and forth. But anyway, I started getting trolls on my page, and then I looked at my video, and it went from 30K, 40K, 50K, 60K, and it just kept going up. Mind you, all this happened in like 2 weeks. I had the start of January, I only had 12K. Now I'm almost at 18K, and this happened in like 2 weeks, yo. So if you are just now, subscribing to my channel, or you like me, you saw me somewhere, and you like the video, thank you so much for watching and subscribing. But enough of me rambling. I just decided to make a video of me actually talking, because the last 3 videos I posted is just like me doing this. So I look hurt right now, so I'm not gonna be posting as much. But from here and there, I will post a pop up, hey, it's me, what I look like type of. Oh yeah, I'm really handsy. I talk with my hands, so especially like I still got my nails, so I be like, I'm one of those females. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. Step one, you are going to grab a lemon and you're going to cut it in half. Excuse the knife that I have. I love being cheap, so I just grab like a regular Walmart knife. But you're going to cut it in half like that. And you're going to cut, I want to say I use 2 lemons, but you can use more lemons if you're having a party. But I just used 2 just to show you guys how to make the lemons. So right now you just see me cutting it. I'm mad because it's not cutting and I have to use like a lot of force. But yeah, so right now I'm just cutting the lemons, showing you guys that I have 4 lemon halves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now you're going to take your spoon and you're going to basically take out the lemon. So it's much easier than what it looks like. But it's still pretty messy, so you're gonna have to do it above a bowl just to make sure that you don't have any juice on your counter. I make all my tutorials on my stove just because the lighting is better. So right now you just see me using my spoon and pulping it out. I feel like this would be better if you had like one of those melon spoons. I forget what it's called, but it's pretty small. I feel like it'd be better using that. So right now you just see me pulping it out. You're going to save the juice. So right now you're just going to get as much juice as you can. But it has to look like that. No lemon, no nothing in the middle. Just straight lemon center. So you're going to make sure that when you're spooning out the lemons that you're not doing it too hard, because if you do, then it's going to leak out and you're not going to be able to make cute, lemon jello shots. So right now I'm just, spooning out the lemon, squeezing out the juice, because you're going to use it at the end of the video. Well, not at the end of the video, but you're going to use it to make the jello shot. So right now I'm just, squeezing everything out, making sure I got everything. And you should be left with just a lemon, no pulp, no anything. Just make sure you just scoop it out really, really good, like how I'm doing in the video. See? So now you're going to get that leftover lemon juice and you're going to pour it into a glass. You can use any glass that you have. I use a glass that I was sent from a mixer. I feel like if you have a strainer, this method would be best. Instead of using a bowl and a fork, don't take the ghetto route like I did. Buy a strainer and strain out the juice. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do if you don't have a strainer. So I'm just making sure that I got all the lemon juice, because the juice, let me tell you, the juice is what this save these jello shots. It made it taste so good and so tart. So make sure you get all the juice. Hell, if you got to squeeze it out using your bare hands, like you're going to see me in this video, to make sure it's all out, do it. Next, you're going to grab a cup of water and you're going to bring it to a bowl. Once it starts bubbling, you're going to add in your gel shots lemon drop mix. Make sure you shop gel shots. They have a lot of fun jello flavors that you guys can use to make jello shots. They sent me a box not too long ago and I just now, decided to make a video with it. So you're going to pour the whole packet of gel shots lemon drop into the mix. And you're going to make sure that, everything dissolves. So right now I'm just going to use a spoon. I'm going to mix it together. Make sure that all of the jello crystals, mix together. And now I'm going to add the lemon juice. I believe my measurements are always off, but I believe I added 3 teaspoons of lemon juice just to make sure. I may be off, but you're going to add as much lemon juice as you like. It doesn't really matter. I have like some lemon pulp in the mix, but that is okay as well. So just mix it together until there's no more sugar crystals. Now the fun part, you're going to grab your pink Whitney and you're going to add 2 shots. Throughout the course of this video, I added 3 shots because I wanted to get the pink lemonade taste, but I also wanted to taste the liquor. So pour your 2 shots in, that's what you're here for, to make these jello shots. Pour it in. So I'm going to add another shot of pink Whitney just because I want to make sure that I can get a buzz off of the jello shots and not just tasting, regular jello. I'm also going to add gelatin to make sure that it's firm when I cut it and it's not, loose. And I'm also going to add pink food coloring to give it that pink color that I'm looking for. Now I'm adding pink food coloring because I wanted my jello shots to have a certain kind of color to it. Almost like the pink Whitney vodka, but not really. Kind of like pink lemonade. Pink lemonade is like a soft pink, but I wanted a hot pink because I felt like the hot pink and the bright yellow of the lemons would pop. So right now you just see me, stirring it together. I don't like adding like food coloring, like gel food coloring to cold liquid because it takes forever to actually get the color that you want. As you can see in this video now, it took forever for it to turn that bright pink that I wanted. So I added like 3 to 5 drops of Jell-O. And I had to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. It's finally changing, thank God. Because I was going to be here all day. And I mean, I have time for that because of the quarantine. But still, nobody want to sit here in front of a hot stove mixing, what is this called again? Food coloring together. So right now you can see me adding, I think I added about 5 to 6 drops of food coloring just to get this nice pink that I wanted. Now I'm going to add 2 packets of unflavored gelatin to the mix. And when you add the gelatin into the pot, make sure that you stir it all together so it's no clumps or anything, because gelatin likes to clump up together, and who wants clumpy ass Jell-O? Not me, and I'm pretty sure not you. So we're just stirring this together, stir, stir, stir. Making sure that you get all of those sugar crystals and gelatin crystals mixed in, because you don't want no clumpy Jell-O. So right now I'm going to reach for the second pack. And I have my pot on, I want to say medium heat. I like to rush everything I'm doing. Usually I'll have it on high, but you don't want to have it on high because it will burn. So I have it on medium heat, to be exact. I think I have it on like 4. Because I kind of want to hurry this video up because, I made like 5. I don't want to burn my Jell-O either. So right now I'm just mixing everything together. As you can see on my spoon, I have clumps still in the mix. So I'm just shaking it. And you can see the color, it's finally starting to pop through as well. And it's real cute. It's like a real cute, like hot pink color. Almost the color of my wig that I have hanging up. So you just want to make sure that everything is, mixed together. It's starting to boil. So I'm going to take it off now. But this is how it should look in your pot. Everything is mixed together. No clumps or anything in the Jell-O. Now for this part, you're going to get a cupcake pan. I have stains on my cupcake pan because I leave it in the dishwasher. And now I have water stains or rust stains, whatever you want to call it. So now you're going to pour it in. Make sure that your cupcakes, not your cupcake, but your lemons are placed nicely and firmly into the cupcake pan because you don't want it to leak out. This is the easy part, you guys. Just pouring it in, and you're going to place it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Just make sure that the Jell-O is distributed evenly. So about 2.5 hours, I took it out and it's nice and firm. So now you're going to use a knife and you're going to cut the Jell-O. So like I said, I make all my videos on my stove. So it was kind of hard for me to actually get a good cut. So yeah, I moved to the other side of the stove to cut my lemons. Here's the end result. They're so cute. I did not expect them to be so cute and perfect for the summer that we're never going to have summer because of the virus. Here are the pink but they're Whitney, perfect for summer and spring and fall or whatever you're having. These are so cute and easy to make. Now, I'm really proud of myself because these came out. Sorry about the little blur. My selfie light is right next to me. So, just excuse me. And then my kitchen light is right here. But yeah, these came out really fucking cute. Sorry for the cussing and stuff, but these came out really cute. Like, listen, we are outside. I mean, we can't do nothing, but we are outside with these, okay? We are outside in the parking lot, vibes. Okay, so now we're going to taste it because who wants to watch a video and don't know what it tastes like? Let's see. I done ate my hair with it too. You guys, don't ever buy synthetic wig unless it's your last resort. But this is good. It's not too strong. So if you want your Jell-O shots to be strong, I added 3.5 shots. I added another shot off camera. But if you want it to be like pow strong, I would add 4. And then add like another packet of Jell-O to make it firm. But these are good. That's how you know it's good. I'm just sitting here like. And it tastes like pink lemonade because I used the pink lemonade vodka, I use real lemon juice, I use lemon drop, and I use pink lemonade powder. So it tastes like pink lemonade. I'm gonna go ahead and go because I made like 3 videos today and I'm tired. But thank you guys for watching. I cannot believe I'm almost at 20K. Sorry about the beeping, you know, I don't feel like changing it. I'm gonna have somebody change it one day. It's not today. But thank you guys for watching, and you know, we're on this journey together, you guys. I'm almost at 20K. I made my YouTube, I think last year. No, I made my YouTube like 2 years ago, and you know, I'm finally. Y'all hear my neighbors? They got me fucked up. Okay, I'm tired of them. It's only 12:59, and they want to be stomping and whatnot. Ugh. But anyway, the struggles of living in a middle floor apartment. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I cannot believe I almost got 20K. I remember when I only had 20 subscribers. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure, if you don't do nothing else, follow me on Instagram at goodiebagsbylee. I'm sorry if you throw me out. Follow me on Instagram at goodiebagsbylee. I post a lot of drink content on there first before it makes it to my actual YouTube channel. Sorry y'all, I just get really excited when I be talking to y'all because y'all make me so hype. Anyways, bye y'all.